How long can a bank account be frozen? As we have seen in the first part of the video, fabricated corruption scenarios are used for justifying a request for international legal assistance with the goal of stealing money from the client. How can we stop abusive requests for international legal assistance? Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Enzo Caputo in partnership with TV. I am a Swiss banking lawyer, the founder of the boutique law firm Caputo Partners and SwissBankingLawyers.com, the place where international business people find tips and solutions about offshore banking, global asset protection and Swiss private banking. According to Swiss law, such requests can be rejected if the requesting country does not grant any reciprocity rights to Switzerland. If your country of residence does not offer legal assistance to Switzerland, Switzerland will also not offer legal assistance to such country. The criminal activity must be illegal and punishable in both countries. That makes that bank account documents are not passed over and disclosed if the requirement of dual criminality is not accomplished. If a criminal activity falls under the statute of limitations in Switzerland, but not in your home country, the request will be refused. Foreign authorities must describe criminal activities with the relevant facts in a plausible and consistent manner. In most of the cases, the criminal activities are exposed in a superficial and general manner. In this case, the requests are considered to be illegal and impermissible fishing expeditions. If the Swiss federal prosecutor decides with a formal decision that bank documents must be disclosed to the foreign authorities, this decision can be contested with the Swiss Federal Administrative Court and subsequently with the Swiss Federal Supreme Court. How long does it take to unfreeze a bank account if you are 100% sure that your money is clean? The most efficient and shortest way to unfreeze your account consists of convincing the Swiss prosecutor that the money is clean. Therefore, we need documents showing the legal background. For each transaction, we need old agreements, old invoices, old correspondence and other suitable documents. If we can produce substantial and consistent documents, we can unfreeze a bank account within a couple of weeks. There are bank accounts frozen due to unusual bank transactions. If you do unusual bank transactions with your account, the transactions will pop up on the IT system of the bank. Each bank has different criteria to define a transaction as unusual. One of the most used criteria is the 100,000 Swiss franc barrier for payments. The compliance officer becomes a list on the table with unusual transactions daily. Unusual transaction can be, for example, 4 payments amounting slightly below the counter value of 100,000 Swiss franc. 99,000, for example. If you accumulate such transactions, the IT system triggers an alert signal. The compliance officer will immediately freeze your bank account. If the bank is convinced that your transactions are not legal, you should do something before your account will be frozen. Don't waste time. Solving the frozen account situation alone is not a good idea. A mistake can cost you money or you can end in prison. Insider information just like this cannot be found in universities, in libraries and not in the internet. If you like information just like this, make sure to not miss future episodes with me as your Swiss banking lawyer Enzo Caputo in partnership with TV. Have a wonderful day.